My name is Brian van Niekerk and I am a training instructor at ALTI Unmanned.
The training course at ALTI entails a week of theory, a week of practical, and a week where the clients actually fly.
So the practical aspect of training basically starts at an indoor training where we do some theory work. We work as well on mission planner and some simulator training. We then move on to a practical setup and breakdown of the system. We follow that up with a practical flight outdoors in a field under supervision. This training gives the client's pilots the confidence to fly the craft effectively and confidently. ALTI Unmanned build very specialized crafts and therefore they require specialized training. Because of the specialized training, it's very important from a client's perspective to also have a proper understanding of the craft and the system that they're flying to safely operate the craft. ALTI doesn't only provide training locally in Knysna, but also is able to go out to a client site and train on site with the pilots at their location. My favorite part about training is to leave the pilots with a sense of confidence to fly the craft. That's it. That's what it's all about.